One summer, one plan, become unrecognizable. This is your next level glow up, from basic to that girl. Meet Zara. Zara wasn't always the fierce woman she is about to become. Just a year ago, she sat alone in her tiny apartment, tears streaming down her cheeks. Her eyes were glassy, yet there was a strange viciousness burning behind them, a fierce fire no one could see at first glance. She looked at her reflection blankly, heart pounding so hard it felt like it might burst from her chest. Her ears tingled, hot with embarrassment and frustration. She had been crushed by heartbreak and rejection, struggling under the weight of self-doubt that whispered in her mind, telling her she wasn't enough. Nights blurred into days as she battled waves of anxiety, wondering if she'd ever feel beautiful or powerful again. Every small mirror became a test she failed, every social invitation a reminder of how invisible she felt. But deep inside, there was a fight, a quiet, relentless rebellion against giving up. Zara's glow-up wasn't about magic or overnight changes. It was about waking up every morning and choosing to be better than yesterday. Choosing to heal, to grow, and to rise, even when the world told her she was broken beyond repair. This summer, Zara is unrecognizable. And so can you be. Your new self, small choices, massive transformation. This story is the heart of your glow-up, radiant rebels. Because it's never just about the mirror or the perfect selfie. It's about transforming the way you feel inside, becoming unstoppable, confident, and powerful. Every small choice you make, a healthy meal, a moment of self-love, setting boundaries, embracing your quirks, builds that new version of you. It's these tiny victories that add up to a total transformation by summer 2025. This glow-up is deeper than looks. Glow-up isn't about chasing approval or fitting someone else's mold. It's about you, your strength, your voice, your soul. When you glow from within, you walk with a new kind of confidence. People notice because you aren't just pretty or polished, you're magnetic, unshakable, real. Zara's story is proof that even when your heart has been broken, your spirit crushed, you can rise and become more powerful than ever before. Radiant Rebels, if you're ready to become unrecognizable in the best way this summer, make sure to like this video, share it with your sisters who need this boost, and subscribe. This journey isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling fierce inside and out. Let's glow up together. You deserve it. Daily habits that change everything. Radiant Rebels, your glow-up begins with what you do when no one's watching. The small, simple habits, that's where the real transformation hides. These aren't just routines. They're quiet promises to yourself. Each time you follow through, you're rewriting the story in your head that said, "I'll never change." Start with one habit. Make your bed every morning. Light a candle before journaling. Sip water like it's sacred. These rituals seem small, but they're powerful because they tell your brain, "I care about me now." Build a morning routine that gets your energy and confidence up before the world even sees you. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Move your body, even if it's just a stretch. Look in the mirror and compliment yourself out loud. Not because you believe it yet, but because you're learning to. Replace mindless scrolling with mindful minutes. You can use this time to breathe deeply, review your goals, or write down 3 things you're proud of. Watch how different your energy feels. You'll stop seeking validation from others because you'll already feel full. The magic isn't in doing 1,000 things once. It's doing a few powerful things over and over until they become who you are. Beauty hacks to glow like never before. Your glow up isn't just in your mind, it radiates through your skin, your hair, your presence. When you feel beautiful, you act like a woman who deserves beautiful things. Start with skincare. You don't need 10 steps, just a few that you never skip. A gentle cleanser, a rich moisturizer, and sunscreen every single day. Your skin is your canvas, and caring for it is an act of self-respect. It's not about vanity, it's about vibrancy. In 5 minutes, you can light up your face. Brush up your brows, add a hint of blush, and curl your lashes. Even the tiniest effort reminds you that you're worth being seen. This is your armor, not for them, but for you. And your hair? Treat it like a crown. Satin pillowcases. Deep conditioning. A trim to get rid of what's no longer serving you, energetically and physically. Keep it healthy, even if it's simple. Don't underestimate how much your hair carries your energy. When you look in the mirror and see someone polished, it's not just about looks. It's proof that you showed up for yourself. Mindset shifts for true transformation. True glow-ups are inside jobs. No serum or lipstick can replace the light that comes from shifting your mindset. Start with affirmations. They feel silly at first, but the more you say them, the more they rewrite your thoughts. I am becoming the woman I admire. I radiate peace and power. I am worthy of glowing up. Say them while doing your makeup. Whisper them while walking. Make them your inner soundtrack. Gratitude will keep you grounded. Every day, write down 3 things you love about your life, even if it's just your morning tea or a good hair day. Gratitude tells your brain to focus on abundance, not lack. Let go of comparison. That girl you're admiring? Use her as inspiration, not a measurement. You don't need her path. You're on your own, and it's unfolding in divine timing. Your uniqueness is your secret weapon. Confidence doesn't show up all at once. It builds when you keep promises to yourself. When you choose growth over comfort. When you walk into a room and stop shrinking. Radiant rebels, you're not here to blend in. You're here to become unrecognizable in the most powerful way. Share this video with someone who's ready to start their glow up too. And if you're ready to keep becoming that girl, subscribe and stay with me for the next steps. Your transformation has already begun. Style and presence, becoming that girl. Radiant rebels, the way you dress isn't just fabric, it's a message. Your clothes speak for you before you ever say a word. That's why creating a capsule wardrobe that fits your personality is a game changer. Choose timeless, flattering pieces that make you feel put together without overthinking it. Neutrals that mix and match, statement pieces that say this is me, and textures that feel good against your skin. When your style reflects who you are becoming, you naturally carry yourself differently. And presence? It starts with posture. Shoulders back. Head high. Chin slightly up. Walk into every room like it was made for you. Good posture doesn't just change how others see you, it changes how you feel about yourself. You instantly appear more confident, more powerful, more magnetic. You don't need an intense workout to glow, just movement that feels graceful and consistent. Try daily stretches, light strength training, or dancing in your room with intention. Movement creates energy, shapes your body, and awakens your femininity. This isn't about perfection. It's about presence. You're sculpting a version of yourself that moves with ease and confidence. Living your best life every day. Glowing up isn't about running on empty. It's about choosing rest, recovery, and rituals that refill your soul. Start protecting your peace like it's sacred. Rest isn't lazy, it's power. Your mind and body cannot bloom when they're in survival mode. Create evening routines that signal your brain it's time to relax. Light a candle, take a warm shower, play calming music, and let your nervous system settle. These quiet acts of self-love set the tone for everything else. Set goals, but keep them realistic and personal. It's okay if your glow-up doesn't look like anyone else's. Break your goals into small wins, one new habit a week, one improved skill, one healthier boundary. Celebrate every step. That celebration builds momentum. And most importantly, surround yourself with people who remind you of who you're becoming, not who you've been. Build a support system that checks in on you, uplifts you, and holds space for your vision. That could be friends, family, or even online communities like this one. You don't have to do this alone. Radiant Rebels, your glow-up is a journey, not a race. Every small step you take, every mindset shift, every glass of water, every confident decision, it all adds up. Trust the process. You're not behind. You're becoming. If you're serious about stepping into your most magnetic self this summer, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more daily inspiration and powerful glow-up tips. Your next level isn't a dream. It's already on the way.